multiple victims injured in a house fire and explosion. Occupants stuck under debris.
Every year, there are tragic accidents resulting from underground utility strikes, and the impact they have on the communities and people's personal lives can sometimes be easily forgotten about after everything is over. But before watching this, I would like you to put yourself in these people's shoes. The people who have lost literally everything, from their homes they've had for decades, cherished personal belongings, to a worst-case scenario, loss of life. So keep these stories in mind when you're working in the field next time, and imagine if your life, in a matter of seconds, was reduced to rubble.